3, 2, 1.
What was B, the Maule's invention? The answer is C, Prozac. What 1998 song was a #1 hit in the US for Will Smith? The answer is D, Gettin' Jiggy With It. What is the study of living things and their behavior called? The answer is C, biology. What is the standard color code for a 5-watt resistor with a value of 220 ohms? The answer is D, red, 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 gold. What does a stove generate for cooking? The answer is B, scorching temperatures. What is a disease in which the immune system makes an inflammatory response to a harmless antigen? The answer is B, an allergy. Who founded the Scientology philosophy and religion? The answer is A, L. Ron Hubbard. What do you call the part of the skeletal system that connects bones? The answer is C, joints. Who invented the telephone alternate? The answer is A, Alexander Graham Bell. What is a bowler's equipment in cricket? The answer is C, glove. Glass, rubber, and plastics are examples of which type of solids? The answer is D, amorphous. Which famous French chef invented the peach melba in 1893? The answer is B, Auguste Escoffier. Which book is the first in a Song of Ice and Fire series? The answer is A, The Dance of Dragons. Which property would best help a student determine if two substances are made of two different elements? The answer is C, density. Mangrove trees are affected by several factors. Which is an abiotic factor contributing to the energy cycle of a mangrove ecosystem? The answer is B, climate. What is the official flower and one of the symbols of the U.S. state of Mississippi? The answer is C, magnolia. Who developed the psychoanalytic technique known as free association? The answer is A, Jung. Which Greek god is associated with wine and festivity? The answer is B, Dionysus. According to the rules of the International Skating Union, major speed skating competitions can be held on outdoor or indoor ice ovals of what standard length? The answer is A, 400 m 1310 ft. What never was and shall be here no more. Tomorrow. What is today? Yesterday. What was yesterday? And tomorrow to a frog. A pine. The answer is A. Puzzle. In most animals, what sense is related to balance or equilibrium? The answer is D. Hearing. Where do Troy and Gabriella first meet in the movie High School Musical? The answer is A. At a ski lodge. Which is the planet with the biggest number of natural satellites in the solar system? The answer is C. Jupiter. What nightclub is Laura the host of in the film The Last Dragon? The answer is B. Seventh Heaven. Fictional character Alex Rider says that the leader of Force 3 has what parts of the world tattooed on the back of his head? The answer is B. Russia and China. Which spice is used in Chinese 5-spice powder? The answer is A. Star anise. Which piece of clothing is worn by a judge in court? The answer is A. Robes. What singer first recorded the hit song Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow, which was written in Hollywood, California during one of the hottest days on record? The answer is B. Vaughn Monroe. Which team won the Super Bowl LVI? The answer is A. Los Angeles Rams. What leads to the buildup of electric charges on objects? The answer is B. Polarization. Who designed the Sistine Chapel ceiling? The answer is A. Michelangelo Buonarroti. Which vegetable begins with Z? The answer is D. Zucchini. What never breaks, though it may crack? The answer is C. Ice. What was the tagline of the 2000 movie Chocolat starring Juliette Binoche and Johnny Depp? The answer is D. Sinfully delicious. Which country has the highest nominal GDP? The answer is C. USA. The name of Chicago comes from the Miami, Illinois expression Chicago. What does it mean? The answer is B. Wild onion. Though I'm not alive, I can make your heart race with excitement. Who am I? The answer is D. Internet. Which Disney Channel movie features the Jonas Brothers? The answer is C. Camp Rock. A man-made lake is known as what? The answer is C. Reservoirs. Members of what Native American nation live on the Cheyenne River Indian Reservation? The answer is C. Lakota. Why do cats always want in when they are out, and out when they are in? The answer is B. To remark their scent. What chemical has the formula N2O? The answer is D. Nitrous oxide. What is the name of the flat panel monitors that became increasingly popular around 2005? The answer is D. LCD. Who was the first human to orbit Earth? The answer is A. Yuri Gagarin. What ocean is the Great Barrier Reef located in? The answer is C. Pacific. What cooks food in a microwave? The answer is A. Microwave oven. What is the smallest storage device called? The answer is C. SD card. What does the acronym HTML stand for in web pages? The answer is A. Hypertext Markup Language. Which site is known as the front page of the Internet? The answer is C. Reddit. Which instrument is known as the box of winds?